What's up? It's Brandy Chanell, and if you are new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to fashion to you to pretty much all things beauty and lifestyle. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can join the notification gang and not miss any new videos. And if you are an oldie but goodie, thanks for coming back. All right, let's get on to the subject matter at hand. So as you can tell, I'm here today rocking my natch. I feel like I have fallen off on the natural hair game. As you guys can tell, I'll put some iCards above of previous videos where my hair was a lot longer. I have not been taking care of my hair like I should. We are going to change that in the coming weeks. I will try my hardest to do videos on that. But anyways, let's get into this video today. I did a silk press using the Design Essentials line. Yeah, so there is 4 steps to this line. I have been using these products quite frequently. I have used this so many times on just my natural kinky hair, and as well as to achieve a silk press, if you will. I'm definitely working on my flat ironing technique. I have not gotten my blow dry down that well yet. I'm still working on getting my blow dry down. Once I finally get a good blow dry routine where I can get a sleek blow dry, I will share that with you guys. Still working on that. But I would definitely say this is one of the best flat iron jobs that I've done. It looks pretty good. It's still has a little bit of texture. It's not bone straight, especially on these edges, but you know, I'm not too concerned about that. But you know, I'm liking the results. I still need to trim some more of my ends, but yeah, let's get into it. So step 1 is the Agave Lavender Blow Dry Silk Press Collection Moisturizing Hair Bath. If you can see, it's a really cool purpley color, and it smells so good. It smells like agave. It smells very sweet. And I don't really smell much lavender. I smell more agave than lavender, but it smells so sweet. It makes my hair feel super moisturized. Alright, step 1 says apply to wet hair and scalp and gently massage until lather. So I've only wet this section right here because I'm going to do the rest of it in the shower as I usually do. Let's see what it smells like. Oh my god, that smells amazing. Oh god. It's not too much of lavender. It smells like a sweet lavender, like agave. That smells really good, sis. Really, really good. Scalp scrubber, but it's in my shower, so I'm not even gonna do that today. Make sure it lathers well. Let's see, does pretty good at detangling because my hair was not detangled earlier. It was a hot mess. Okay, oh snaps, go Design Essentials, you better do it. Okay, I'm gonna go rinse this out and do the rest of my hair and move on to step 2. This is the Moisturizing and Detangling Conditioner. Apply detangling and moisturizing conditioner after cleansing hair with moisturizing hair bath. Start at ends, work up through the scalp. Leave in 1 to 3 minutes. Rinse. Follow with step 3, conditioning, blow dry, and styling primer. So my hair felt really good in the shower right now. I mean, it feels clean, smells pretty good. So let's move on to step 2, and it has a little more fragrance, I feel like, than the shampoo. I'm gonna start with this out, work it in my ends as it says, and then work it up. Let's see how detangling is. But I feel like that shampoo or the hair bath really detangled my hair already. and made my curly kinky cues pop. Actually, I might take it a step further and sit under the hooded dryer just because that's what I like to do. So I'll do that and then I'll come back for the blow drying. I leave it on for probably 15 to 20 minutes versus 1 to 3. I don't feel like 1 to 3 does anything. All right, next step is to shake to activate. This is step 3, the faster blow dryer heat guard. It's the blow dry and styling primer. Shake to activate. After using detangling and moisturizing conditioner, distribute evenly through damp hair. Then blow dry with a blow dry brush to create a silky smooth blowout with lustrous shine. So as you can see, it's separated. So I'm gonna shake this mofo. And just gonna see how she sprays, shawty. You didn't say how much to spray, does it? Distribute evenly. All right. So she get them ends, and ends always the worst though, you know. Ends always the worst though, shawty. And right now I'm going to go ahead and separate my hair into a top section and a bottom section for easier blow drying. And then I'm gonna go ahead and detangle also. Wow, it's quite easy. Okay. So I'm just gonna twist these up. Smells great. It says it cuts blow drying and styling by 50%, same as the previous, and it does also have a good detangling property.
Also, to let you know, I did blow dry my hair for a few seconds on high heat, and then I took it down to medium heat. I no longer use this blow dryer because it actually blew out on me a while ago, but I'm open to suggestions of new blow dryers.
So this is step 4. Step 4 is the heat protectant. The directions say, after hair is blown out by the conditioning and styling primer, apply a pea-sized amount to hair, silk press or thermal style as desired. So this is the final step in the 4-step process. I definitely think this is the key to the entire shenanigans, entire collection, because it's the heat protectant. So these last 2 are your sort of heat protectants. This is to protect you for blow drying, and this is to protect you from flat iron or pressing. I did not do the actual wrapping my hair and putting it in saran wrap because I don't have any saran wrap, so you will not see me doing that. But again, these are the results. This is my 2nd time using this product. I highly, highly recommend these products. I am not a professional, girls, okay? So I don't know the best blow drying techniques. I'm working through that. We can work through that together, sis. Feel free to leave some comments below on some tips you may have for me. But again, I will continue to, between this and Zelo, I would definitely say these have given me the best blowouts I've had so far. I'll leave an iCard above for the Zelo keratin treatment. This does not claim to be a keratin treatment, so I think that is where they kind of differ, but I really do like this. The price range is on point. The size of the bottles, this one's 4 ounces, step 3 is 8 ounces, and then step 1 and 2 are 12 ounces. I will leave the pricing and links in the description box. I got all these from Sally's. Let's see what else. I will leave the products that I use as the flat iron blow dryer and any other utensils in the description box. So leave any questions and comments you guys have below, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.